Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WordPress plugin to sync leads into HubSpot. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for the plugin. In the search bar, type HubSpot. Locate the HubSpot plugin and click the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate. After activation, you will see a HubSpot option on the left sidebar. Click on the HubSpot option to set it up. If you already have a HubSpot account, click on Login. Enter your HubSpot credentials and authorize the integration. If you do not have a HubSpot account, click on Get Started. Fill in the required information to create a new account. Once logged in, return to the WordPress dashboard. Navigate back to the HubSpot option in the sidebar. Click on Settings to configure your integration. Here, you can set preferences for syncing leads. Enable the option to sync forms with HubSpot. Ensure that the form you want to sync is selected. Check the settings to customize the field synced to HubSpot. Save all changes to finalize the setup. To test the integration, fill out a form on your website. Log back into HubSpot and navigate to the Contacts section. Verify that the lead appears in your HubSpot contact list. If you do not see the lead, revisit the settings and check for any errors. Adjust the configuration settings as necessary. Congratulations, you have successfully activated the WordPress plugin to sync leads into HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.